Hey guys, what's up? So 2 inch on the top best rated tweets, 5, 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.7. The first tweet is called RetroArch, iOS 11 and up, the official reference front end for the lib retro API. This is called RetroArch TV, tvOS 11 plus, the official reference front end for the lib retro API. This is for the tvOS. This is called Perfect Messages, and basically this week it turns to the messages list when you close the application. This is called No to Theft 3, and basically indication needed, attempting to do a tweak, preference panel to verify license. The best keeps getting better. This tweak-based tester No to Theft 2, most complete tweak against pranksters, knowing noisy people, and thieves. You can read all about it and read the refund policy. One of my favorite features on the list is called #installed, and basically shows the number of installed packages from each source in Cydia. This is called Pickpocket, and basically tell your thieves to get at a thief will steal your phone. Sometimes someone stole your iPhone in the past. If yes, Pickpocket was made for you. The powerful full featured highly customized data suite to protect you against thieves. Just a Pickpocket 2 and Pickpocket 3. And these are just updated for the later iOS versions. This is called Fake Step X, fake health app step and walk in plus running distance, also fake with other app like WeChat. This is called Sentinel, and basically have slide and re-jailbreak when your battery dies. It puts like a fake shutdown so you can keep your jailbreak until you want to re-jailbreak and go through the hassle. And basically it has a control center toggle. This is called Ainsworth, the connecting experience you deserve. Supports from iOS 13.0 up to 14.2. This is called Switch Us, and allows you to customize your app switcher like never before. This is called System Info, and basically gives you a bunch of features, like you could adjust your resolution, tells you the temperature, and tells you basically at 8 you basically have SHSH saving, AP ticket submission, fixes crashes, bring or battery usage. It tells you when you lost phone, like full battery. So you have full battery. So yeah, it's like your one tweak, all that cool stuff. This is called Tap the Keys, tap the feedback on keyboard presses. This is called Tap Video Config, makes the video configuration indicator top right, see screenshot. So you can basically choose the for iOS 13. You basically choose the configuration you guys want, so you can tell what P you guys want in, so what quality. This is called Time Unlock XI, unlock your device with the current time. This is called Translucent Messages, not available in beta for all patrons. We work hard to make sure that everything's perfect and the tweak looks better than ever before. So you can see your setups. This is called Transparent Dock 13, and basically for iOS 13, Sprite for iPod iPod Touch makes iOS 13 dock transparent. No fins to options. This is called TSS Saver, a one-click tool to save blogs using tsssaver.onecoin.com. This is called Smooth Cursor iOS 13, Office 2013 styled cursor animation. This is called Snowboard, it's a theme and tweak for iOS 7 and up. This is called Sugarcane. Sugarcane adds percentage labels to the control center on iOS 11. This is called Swipe Expander X, or just Swipe Expander, and basically brings back life to your keyboard. If you make a legendary Swipe Expander, comes with pre-made settings for your device. If you like to use default settings, you from any of these 20 actions. This is called Swipe for More, manage city packages via swipe. And swipe selection, you move the text, move like a cursor, move like for like the text. So you can move like on the keyboard, and then moves the cursor as you move your finger or thumb along the keyboard. Amazing tweak called MyY. It's basically a tether me alternative. Unfortunately, this has not been updated since like iOS 8, so this does not work anymore. If somebody can remake this and support it like iOS 13, that would be amazing. And basically, the alternative we have for MyY and PDA Net. Basically it's called Tether Me and supports iOS 8 and up, and you can basically add the Wi-Fi. You can add like the hotspot function for devices that you usually would not get, on the device that you would not have the hotspot, personal hotspot feature on. It adds that feature. But if the I can't even talk, but if your carrier does find out, they could charge you. So you're taking like on risks. And this tweak does cost $4.99. This is called keyboard tools. Compatible with iOS 11, 12, and 13. More tools on your keyboard. Dismiss, copy, paste, cut, select, and select all. This is called Editus, and basically create your own wallpapers. This is called screen freeze. Have you ever feared handling a device someone? If there's such thing around you do. Basically, you can freeze your device command, or you can unfreeze it using activate gesture. This is called screen phase, just going to feed that phase of the screen in and out, and just turn off and on respectively. This is called screen dump, iOS 13, the virtual network computer for your iOS 12 and 13 device. This is called bioprotect ets, and basically adds like a passcode to like your apps. So it's like an extra layer of protection or security, and if you give it to your kids, you can choose what apps they can and can't use. This is called COS, and basically an awesome control center module. This is called Safari Plus, and basically adds a bunch of cool features to the Safari. This is called Mobile TSS. Smart lightweight application helps you find out what SSH blobs you have saved. You also can search for them as well. And this is called OS, and basically is a us theme. This is called Minitar notifications in your status bar. This is called My Notifier 2, enhances the functionality of the My Band 2 smart bracelet. This is called YT Stock Share, replaces YouTube share sheet with the default iOS style. And this is called YT Status, displays the status on YouTube when the pause screen is on. This is called YT Skip, moves video ads and allows playing in the background. This is called No Tube Ads, and it basically blocks the YouTube ads from the YouTube app. Called 3D Badge Clear, and this is called 3D Badge Clear. Clear badges from the Force Touch 3D Touch menu. This is called M Shuffle, music album and playing. Hit play to shuffle music app. This is called Shuffle. Basically cover that tweak that organizes your settings with the easy to navigate sections. This is called Fresh Wall, a fresh wallpaper every unlock. This is called Record Pause, -9 plus, pause resume video recording. This is called CC Artwork, and basically displays music now playing album artwork in the control center. This is called App Library Controller, control your apps. And the last feature is called No Edit Pages, and neat tweet that disables the new feature of editing pages introduced with iOS 14, moving apps pages when tapping the apps pages dot icons in the wiggle mode. This tweet got a theme called Depths. That's what it looks like. I like this more 3D-like theme. And the last piece called Hyper-N. It's a beautiful, always on OLED experience. So, hey guys, catch the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.